What's good, what is good, my sisters? We're back again with another video, and today we're at Red Rock Casino. Now, Red Rock Casino, honestly, is not that mainstream. It's mostly a locals casino, but I definitely recommend it. It is out the way. It's like 20 miles away from the strip, but if you're over there, then I definitely recommend coming because this restaurant has loads of restaurants for the family and a bunch of stuff for your children to do while you gamble, if you like to gamble. Also, if you're big on pictures, I also recommend coming here because, like, look at this. Like, it's just such a pretty background, and it's not, like, you know, terrible settings. And there's so much water features here that you could take pictures anywhere here and make it look nice. So if you're into photography, into gambling, or have children, I definitely recommend coming here, but it is a little bit out the way, so just keep that in mind. There are a couple entrances and exits that you can use at the Red Rock Casino, but one of the main ones I want to talk about is the one that takes you from the garage to the casino. So when you walk in from the garage to the casino, you're met by a hallway. That is the Red Rock bowling alley, and honestly, it is pretty sick. These are the hours that they're open. So usually they're open from 9 a.m. to 12, and then on Friday and Saturday they're open from 9 a.m. to 2 a.m. But Red Rock Casino bowling alley literally does the absolute most. Like, they always have like a cool event going on, and they always do like neon bowling, and I'm pretty sure that happens more at night. They do have it available. They call it Cosmic Bowling, and they have it every day, roughly starting from 4 p.m. to 12 a.m. And this is what it generally looks like. So if you're interested in that, I would definitely recommend it. These are the prices for bowling, especially if you want to come during Cosmic Bowling. It is only $3 extra. Okay, y'all, I've never seen anything like this. This is a map of Red Rock Casino, but the cool thing about it is that it's color-coded. So basically, all the areas that are green are stuff under 21, people that are under 21 can do. And then the red is like all the gambling. I've never seen a map like that. I thought it was really interesting and neat, but as you can see, there was a lot of green. So they do have a movie theater, and they also have a Kids Quest and a Cyber Quest. I've never been in either of those, but it is kid-friendly and related. I'm pretty sure it's just like a big arcade for children. So yeah, that's why I said, like, if you like to gamble a lot, definitely bring your children here. That way they can go and have fun too while you gamble, and it's not like oh, you have to leave them at the hotel room or anything like that. They do have a pool and spa. I've never been inside of it, but you can definitely walk outside to the pool area between the food court and the movie theater that I just showed you, so that was really cool. And they did have like a bar area where you could get like a towels and stuff like that. Also, this is the food court area, so they have a Ben & Jerry's, Panda Express, Fat Burger, Capriotti's, Side Piece, which is a new pizza spot that they just put in there. This is what their gambling floor plan looks like. They also have a bingo, but as you can see, they have slots galore. Now, one thing I did notice, especially in most of the casinos, is that they either have a coffee shop like Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, or some small random cafe type of coffee shop. But don't worry, because Red Rock gives you Starbucks coffee, and if you walk past Starbucks a little bit, you can see that they have a Keno station, a sports book, and a poker room. And here's like a better look at it. So this is the sports book. Honestly, I think their sports book is one of the bigger ones that we've definitely gone over, and especially their poker room. Although I don't know, because Orleans poker room seems to be quite big. But if you're like me and just show up for the food, then don't worry, because that's what we're about to go over right now. They do have a barbecue spot called Lucille's, and if you don't like that, they have Yard House, which practically serves everything and anything. Here's some more slots and not necessarily table games, but like video table games. So they have like the Baccarat and other table games like that. I don't know, I don't gamble. But I don't know if you saw, but there was another bar like in the middle of the gambling area as well. They had Heatherstone over there. It was open, but it was closed for a private event, but it is open. Actually, all their restaurants were open, so that's really good to note too. And here's just another bar called Rock's Lounge, and it's just where people can gamble and sit at the bar too. And Red Rock does have table games. These are all the table games that they had, but don't worry, because they were open too, just on the other side. This is their cafe, so locals restaurants tend to have cafes, and Lucky Penny serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's next to this noodle bar that honestly smelled amazing and was slam packed. This is another like sidebar. The last restaurant that they have here is called T-Bones, and that's where they serve champagne and steaks. So that sounds like quite the life right there. If you keep walking in deeper into Red Rock Casino, you'll run into like resort themed shops. So like small like clothing stores and juiceries. But also what I want to talk about is this hidden gem right here, because Red Rock does have a conference center in the back of the casino, and it's literally like across the hall from this. But check out this setup. This looks like something that came out of the Cosmopolitan. And they also have a spa and salon and a gym. But alright, you guys, that's all the time I have for you guys today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below any other casinos I should do, and be sure to smash that subscribe button. Toodles!